What's up? It's Queen Sid. I'm back, finna show you another video. I'm getting ready to hit the Harley Davidson. I just installed some footboards on my bike. I need them to do something else for me. And also, if you watch my camping trip, then you remember that my right hand grip was kind of falling off. So they just got the part in. They told me to come up. So we're getting ready to head to Harley and do some upgrades on the new Road Glide. Let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
All right, so boom. So I got the Kahuna footboards on. I want to change these shifter pegs, the front and the back. And on the right side, I got Kahuna pegs, and I want to change that entire brake pad. So I'm gonna change the brake pad, and I'm gonna change the silver little lever that's connecting it to the bike. So let's get ready to switch them out. Headed to Harley, bike looking good, and I'm ready to go. We got the winner of the GoPro giveaway, Osborne.Dylan. I'm gonna tag him right here. Shout out to him. Hey, he entered the raffle. Ooh, he entered the raffle, won the GoPro. That easy, and he got it.
Simple.
He getting ready to make some videos. What kind of videos?
Four-wheelers in the city, riding wheelies.
Boom, follow him. Let's go. Boom, we got Big Mike. Shout out to him for getting me together. I could not do the brake lever, but guess who can? Big Mike. Hey, he did everything on the Road Glide, everything you see. I make sure I bring my bike up here to Gateway Harley Davidson. He always gets me right, and I trust him with my bike. Not saying no one else can do it, but I just know he's amazing. So yeah, took it up here. He's gonna get me together. Got the new Kahuna footboards, the new brake pads. Super excited. Wait till you see the finished product. Boom. Let's go. Oh my God, y'all. I literally want this. I want this. Like, oh my God. Like, I think I'm gonna, it's like rain protective. All right, so I just left Harley. I decided to do these myself. I didn't know they were this easy. So literally you just take one of these tools. I don't even know what it's called, but that's okay because I'm not a mechanic, right? And you literally just boom, and it dropped off like that. And I'm gonna replace it with the Kahuna collection one. Let's go. Okay, so here's the new one. Here's the old one. And it's not a major switch, but I like the blacked out look. And you just stick that in there. Oops, stick that in there. And now I'm just gonna twist that on. Yeah. Just put the screw in, and it goes right on. All right, so you're just gonna take the shifter, the screws go right in, and I'm just gonna stick it right in and get it started. Let's go. And then you literally just turn it. It already has Loctite on there. All right, it's Queen Sid. I'm back. I have all of my new upgrades. We got the new shifter pegs I just put on. I got the Kahuna pegs. I also added the Harley Davidson cup holder. Definitely been waiting on that. Super excited. And over here, we now have the new airflow brake lever, and I also have the Kahuna brake pad. So super excited about that setup. That's about it for today. And I also had my radio updated with the Apple CarPlay. So I'm excited to see if the layout changed or anything like that. It's Queen Sit and I'm out. Hey, and shout out to Outlaw Chappie. Follow his YouTube and Instagram. He told me to get the Kahuna set up. So the Kahuna grips, the Kahuna footboards, the shifter pegs, all of that good stuff. He told me it will look super dope with my bike, and I can't lie, I'm loving it. So I'm all set up with most of everything. We got the Kahuna brake pads, everything. I'm loving it. Yeah, we out. So added the LED lights in the back. All right, so I got the new LEDs put on. Super excited about these. That's what it looks like with the blinker flashing. When it's not flashing, it just got the halo effect. I'll show what these look like later tonight. Okay, here is the bike at night. The LEDs are definitely brighter. I did not get a video of what they looked like before the LEDs, but if you kind of look at that light, how it's dim, the other bulbs kind of reflected that one because that's not LED. So these are way brighter. And when you turn, it's pretty bright. Put on the turn signal. So I'm not mad at it at all. It's super bright. Not super bright. You can always add lights that go all up and down the fender and all of that. I don't think I am going to do that, but you know, between the headlights and everything, I think it's okay, you know. So far, absolutely love it. I highly suggest the custom dynamic LED lights at Harley Davidson. These are the ones I have. And that's gonna wrap up this vlog. What's good, it's Queen Sit. I'm getting ready to drop off the prizes for the winners. These are all the tickets. I'm at the post office. You know I'm on a bike. It feel good out here today. Packages are in the mail. Make sure you follow my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube for your chance to win. The next giveaway is coming soon. It's Queen Sit. Let's go. Getting ready to put the stamps on. Yes. No. All the winners. Here we come.